Hey Dad, I'm going out with some friends. You need anything?
Nah, son, you're good. Just be responsible and have fun.
Okay, Dad. Hey Baba, can I go out?
With who?
Just with some friends.
Do these friends have names?
Well, there's Muhammad, Abdullah.
Good.
Omar.
Omar. I love Omar.
James.
Who's James?
James, he's a pretty chill dude. We hang out every once in a while.
Yeah, where exactly? To drink and party?
What? No, we're going to the movies, then KFC.
KFC? Is James gonna make you eat pork?
Nobody's eating pork.
What then? Are you gonna get matching tattoos?
Who said anything about tattoos?
Then he must be bringing girls over.
Baba, James is Muslim.
What?
Yeah, he converted to Islam 3 months ago.
I don't know, but this James guy seems pretty cool.